Tiana with PMP Crafters here. Welcome back to my channel. And if you are new here, I am so happy you decided to stop in today for our graduation series. Now, this is going to be our chip bag. We have done some in the past. If you have not seen those, definitely check those out. I'll leave them down in the description below. This one here, like I said, is a chip bag tutorial, and I've done one for Photoshop and Windows. So if you would like to see those will also be down in the description down below. Without further ado, let's go ahead and get started. So we are going to create a custom size, which is going to be the standard size of a sheet of paper, but we are going to have it landscape. So we need to make sure that this is in inches, and we're going to put 11 by 8.5. Then we're going to create new design. All right, so now we have our sheet of paper up here. What we're going to do is go to Elements. Once we're in Elements, we want to go to our shapes, and we're going to select and click on the square. Okay, now that I have the color changed, what we're going to do with this square is we're going to resize it. I'm going to make it an 8 by 11. Now, this is going to be our base for our chip bag. I just centered it. Now this is our base for our chip bag. Of course, when you print this out, it is going to give you white edges for your border. But I like to go ahead and work with the whole 11-inch wide paper. You can, of course, print on wider, longer paper if you have that option. Okay, so now we have our base here. What I want to do is to now make the center of our bag. So I'm going to do another square here, and I am going to make the middle portion of our bag around 6.5 to 5.5. All right, so now that I have that, I went ahead and centered it. Now, like I said, this is going to be our center of our bag. Okay, and then now what I want to do is go back into Elements, and we're now going to do the sides of our bag. Now you can already kind of see what it is, but I wanted to go ahead and make sure that you had all of these just in case you want to make each one of them something different, and you'll have a full guide of what it looks like. Now this one, of course, the height is going to be the same as the center, and the sides, it's about around a 2.7. Okay, so once I have the 6.5 by 2.7, I am going to just duplicate this and slap it right here on the other side. And voila. Okay, I hate these colors. I'm saying voila, but I hate these colors. And I know these are not going to be the original colors that we use, but for template purposes, I do not like it. Okay, so here we have our center, our two sides, and then our top and bottom of our chip bag. Now go ahead and save this as your chip bag template. And what I love about Canva is that it's going to automatically save it to your Canva portfolio or whatever it is called. But this is it, you guys. So if this is all you came for was a chip bag template for Canva, here you go. I'm going to go ahead and create a quick design. But first, if you loved and have found this video so far educational, you've learned a lot, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and notification bell so you won't miss out on any of my future videos. Now, I'm going to go ahead and quickly add in a design that I've previously created. Okay, you guys, this is a design that I did off camera. So I just kind of dragged and dropped it in here. But as you can see, I did not use each individual panel, but the panels help with centering my design. And I have my top and I have my bottom. Now, all you're going to do, of course, is go into share. You're going to go to downloads, and you can download this. If you're sending it to someone to print, then I would save it as a if you don't want anybody to copy your design, save it, of course, as a PDF, and then you can do a JPEG. But go ahead and save this design, and we're going to go and assemble.
Okay, so this is what it looks like printed out. I used photo glossy paper and I'm using my tape gun to tape it up. I sped this up because I have plenty of videos showing how I actually do my chip bags. You want to make sure that you seal it with either hot glue or a tape gun tape. That's heavy duty. Once you're done, cut off the excess and enjoy.